Hey guys, welcome back to NEX-GEN. Um, I'm just doing this video just to show you what project we are working on now, because people have been asking what project we are working on now, so I just decided to do a short video, not anything too long, just a short video just to show you what's happening. So let's get into it. This engine is a RB25. We bought a car and this engine came in that car. So with this, I'm going to say a car because I'm not ready to reveal that car as yet in this video. So if you want to see that car, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So as I said, this is an RB25. We're just doing some minor work to it because they're not as reliable as a 2JZ. So we're just doing the necessary work to it just to make it live a bit longer. So what we did today now, we changed the oil pump gears to an N1 oil pump gear. So the oil pump gear is behind this. So we did that already. Sorry you guys never get to see when we're installing that piece of gear. So yeah, we finished that gear, and because they said that the RB25 have a problem with the oil going into the head, and it's not draining back fast enough. So these engines are known to leak bearings when that happens. So we upgraded the oil pump, and we bought a oil drain back here. So this is it. So we're going to run a hose from this section here to right underneath the turbo drain. So we're going to make a T line right at this section here, and so when the oil gets into the head, it can drain back. It can drain back from here and go back down into the oil pan. So that's basically what we are working on right now. And I took off the top is covered. That's why you see this plastic here on the top. It's just to prevent any dirt from getting inside. So I took off the covers to repaint them. I'm going to go over to that section shortly to make you see what's happening with the top is cover. So that's basically the engine, the RB25. Yeah. Alright guys, so today we're going to paint these RB25 covers. Yeah, so we're going to clean them up first, and then we put on the paint for the last finish. So this one, we already finished this one. Clean it off so it's there nice and shiny, as you can see. So we have this one to do. Yeah, so we have this one to finish up. So we're going to clean it up with some wire brush, sandpaper, and soap water. So alright, let's get into it then. Alright, so there we have it. Both of them are complete, nice and clean, ready for paint. Alright guys, so it's nice and dry now. So here's the wrinkle effect. If you can look closely, you see the wrinkles. Remember that we said that this paint has a wrinkle effect to it. So that's the finishing. That's the other one there.